One of the things I've noticed in the past 6 months or so of CPAP use is that if I soak my mask nasal interface in dish detergent and warm water every day, rinse it out and dry it, it lasts a lot longer. So instead of getting a month or so out of a mask interface, gosh, I've been using this one now for 4 months and it still looks brand new. It still fits great. So anyway, I figure if I'm going to soak my mask interface every day and dry it out, might as well do the same with my water reservoir. I got into that habit when I was using the Dream Station, and gosh, one of the best things about that machine in terms of design is that the water reservoir is really flat, so it's really easy to just soak it while you're soaking your mask interface. Since switching to the ResMed AirSense 10 though, I have to admit, as much as I love that machine in every other respect, the humidifier reservoir, not my favorite. Its clamshell design only opens up about 90 degrees, and that makes it really, really difficult to completely submerge in water. This is a 12-quart basin, and you can see, to get this thing fully submerged, I have to fill the basin up almost entirely with water, and still a little bit sticks out. Is that important for everyday cleaning? No, but especially for your once weekly cleaning, you really want to soak this thing entirely, get all of it underwater. And even with a 12-quart basin, I found that to be nearly impossible. So I was looking at that this morning, thinking, okay, why does this thing only open up 90 degrees? And I noticed that tab, it's kind of like a doorstop, and I thought, oh gosh, can I just cut that off? Well, how could I do that? I could do it with a Dremel, but it would really be difficult to do without damaging the rest of the machine. Could I pull the top off, maybe, and get to it? And then I realized, wait a minute, if I do that, why do I need to cut the tab off? You just pull the reservoir apart, and it's really easy. You can see I was being careful there, but that's because I've got big Wookiee paws, and I break things really easily. So you don't have to be as, gentle with it as I was there, but just give it a nice, slow, gentle little tug on the hinges, the little tabs that form the hinges, and the thing pops right apart. And as we'll see here, with both of those parts separated, they lie flat. And with them lying flat, they take up much less space, vertically speaking. So yeah, I can completely submerge this thing in soapy water every day. And instead of using 12 quarts of water, I'm using 5 or less. So yeah, it's super simple. I just, when I'm making my first cup of coffee in the morning, I put my parts in here to soak. When I'm making my second cup of coffee, I rinse them out, put them in the hurricane dryer. I really don't want my CPAP routine, especially my daily cleaning routine, to take any time out of my day. And doing it this way, it doesn't. What's more, with those two pieces separated, you can really, really get in there and clean all of the surfaces. Again, is that as important for daily cleaning? No, but for your weekly cleaning. And I do a once monthly soak in a solution of about 1 part vinegar to 5 parts water. Really, you want all of those surfaces to be submerged. You'll notice there, one of the things that I don't know a lot of people do is rinse out that drain port on the bottom of the reservoir. Keeps it from having any soap residue inside there, which is nice. Anyway, rinse off the gasket. Rinse off the top of the clamshell, which is just way easier with the thing separated. I can get into all of those surfaces, rinse them out, scrub them if I need to. And yeah, so really I leave these pieces separate for drying, and it makes it take about half the time to dry my water reservoir now. But anyway, I'm showing you how to put it back together. It's really easy. Just stick the gasket at the top, and those little hinges, just put one side on. Really easy. Slot A into tab B. Click the other side, and boom. Super simple, super easy to do every day.